family of courses in the cement industry. Present to you. Here is the story of cement packing steps in a cement factories. There are 3 ways of cement packing. 1. Packing in bulk. 2. Packing in sacks bags. 3. Packing machines. This images show packing mimics. Cement trails illustrate from cement silos and access to packing place. The beginning of the story. The story of cement manufacturing begins here. Clinker is ground by cement mills. Filters or separators are used to extract the crushed cement. Various types of conveyors are used to transport crushed cement. This video shows cement being transported by pneumatic conveying air slides. It is transported to cement silos. There are 2 types of mills used to grind clinker. 1. Vertical mill. In this video, we see the first type of mill, which is vertical mills. This type is the best among the different types mills. There is also another type. The second type of mill is a tube mill, also known as a ball mill. Here is a video showing how tube mills work. Cement silos are used to store cement elevated and pour in it. Cement is transported into cement silos in several different ways. 1. Buckets elevator. 2. Airlift. This video shows the methods of transporting cement to the top of the silo cement, which is used to store cement after the grinding process in cement mills. Transport of cement between silos is done by air slide. Watch this in this video. We are now inside the cement silo. The cement is withdrawn from inside the silo by an air slide. It is transferred to the hopper, and from there the cement is distributed. In the cement silo, the cement packing is distributed to packing in bulk or packing machines. In this video, we see the packing of cement by packing in bulk. In this video, shows the exit route of the cement, to the cement packing building, to be packaged by packing machines. The cement is transported, out of the cement silo by air slides. The cement discharged from silo, is transported to air slides. Cement is lifted, to the top of the packing building, by bucket elevator. Here we will reach the top of the packing building. Cement is emptied from the bucket elevator to the discharge into a vibrating screen. This video demonstrates the operation of the vibrating screen. The main function of vibrating screen: to separate foreign matter from cement that will be packed into bags. This video explain main drive for packing machine and how cement entering to the packing machine. Finally, we got to the cement filling machine. It is a type of rotor, Flowsmith ventomatic machine. I leave you with the video, to see how cement is packed in bags, and how it is loaded onto the cars. I hope you enjoy watching, and benefiting from this video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.